the investors how to grow your money by investing in real estate in Dubai. So that is how I want to promote my channel, get more and more views and more leads of all my TikTok, my Instagram, and my YouTube.
Okay. I understand your project very well. So right now there are different way to collect the lead about your business. So if you want to run the campaign by Facebook and Instagram, then you can collect a targeted lead about your business. And if you want to promote your YouTube channel or YouTube video, then you can collect lead. But I think from our experience, if you run the campaign on Facebook and Instagram to your targeted customer on Dubai, then you will get more and more leads about your business who are wanted, very interested to about your business.
Okay, and how much that costs if we do Facebook or Instagram? Because I don't have a website. So because I don't have a website,
no need a website. They will just see the campaign, see the ads, then they click, and then they will fill up their form. Like if you want to collect the information of the customer, like their name, phone number, location, or email address, or anything question. There's approximately we will input here 4 or 5 question like name, phone number, email address, location, etc. That will be good. Then people see the ads on your Facebook, then click here if they interest, and then they will find the form, and if they are very interested, then they will fill up their information.
So my company is already doing this. And my company, we are many agents in the company who are working.
Okay.
So my company is doing this, and whatever lead they get, they distribute us. Okay. So do I have to be the owner of a company to do this, or as an individual agent I can do this?
Yes, you can. If you be an individual, then you can do this, and if you owner, you can do this. That's not a problem, because we just run the campaign and we collect lead, and you can see the leads.
Okay, so that we can do it at the second level. Initially, let's focus on Instagram leads through my Instagram account. Let's make it reach to the countries like Europe, US, and Australia, UK. These kind of countries I want to focus. I don't want to focus much Dubai and UAE. I don't want to focus that. Let's try and generate the leads from my Instagram account and Facebook account and YouTube account. Grow my channel. This is the first priority that I want to do.
Okay. Okay, of course we can do that very well. Actually, we run the campaign on Facebook and Instagram, and as well as we will promote your YouTube channel to your targeted country or targeted location. That's not a problem.
How much time it takes?
If you give us all of the requirements, then we can run the campaign within 1 day. Within 1 day, we will research your business and make the targeted audience. Then we run the campaign within 1 day. And after 1 day,
no, forget the campaign. Forget the campaign. I'm talking about my page, YouTube page, and my Instagram page. How much time it takes to get the followers, the real followers. I don't want paid followers.
So if you want to get the real followers, then you have to 2 way we can get the real followers. If you get the real followers, then first we can run the campaign, then we will get the real follower very quick and more followers. Okay, and the other way, if we marketing organically, not paid, organically, if we marketing about your page on Instagram, then we will get the followers, but it's very slow because there is no invest, there is no cost any money. That's why we'll get the followers very slow. and if you want to run and pay to the Facebook authority, then you can get the followers very quickly and more followers.
How
So,
much does the campaign will cost?
actually, if you want to run the campaign like 15 days or 30 days, then our cost is telling to Shakil.
দাদা
হ্যাঁ, আপনি যদি
প্রথম তো একটু কমে ধরিয়েন, প্রথম তো
কত?
আপনার আপনার মন মতো দেন।
Okay, so Mr. Shakil said that it's from India, so near our country. That's why Mr. Shakil wants to price very low price he wants. And if you want to run the campaign and works together on 30 days, then his price is 300 USD. And if you want to run only 15 days, then his price is 150 USD. Only for its cost for works. But also you need to pay the daily budget of Facebook. You know the daily budget, because if you run the campaign, then you have to pay to Facebook. Like
What is the difference between running a campaign and I have boosted my post?
oh, boost
Okay.
post and campaign is like same process, but boosting is not a professional way to run the campaign, and ads campaign is very professional, you know, because when you boost your post, then we cannot target correctly, we cannot target any data, like when you can reserve any data by pixel setup or anything. And ads campaign is like boosting, but it's a higher method, like professional method. That's why if we, like example, if you run the campaign right now, then you after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or like after 3 days, 30 days, you get many people. And if you want set up the pixel, then you get the data on pixel and you will retargeting this campaign. And you know the retargeting and remarketing is very important for getting the good result. So I can tell you that boosting is lower method, not a professional method, and
Understood.
ads campaign is very professional method.
I want to try for 1 week.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
I want to see how it goes. And let me know what best price can you give me for 1 week campaign. I will tell you which project to focus on and everything.
Fantastic.
And I will give you the details of the project. And just give me the price for 1 week. And then we'll see how it goes, how many good leads I get. That's how we can try.
Okay, it will be good for us, because if we run the campaign for 7 days, and after 7 days you can get how we run the campaign, how the campaign is going, how much data we get, and actually what's the result, it's good or bad. So if you think our campaign is good, our result is good, then you can hire us again and again, then we can work together on long term. Okay, it will be good for.
Definitely. Let me know the price, and I will tell you which
Okay,
project.
okay. I'm telling to my
Yeah.
I'm telling to my teammate Shakil.
বলে দেন দাদা।
যদি $150 হয় 15 দিনের জন্য, তার মানে হচ্ছে $70 হয় 7 দিনের জন্য, তাই না?
জি জি জি।
আমরা মোটামুটি 7 দিনের জন্য $70 বলি। ইন্ডিয়া তো বেশি দিতে পারবে না, ঠিক আছে? তবে চেহারা যদি ভালো আছে, এটা আপনার জন্য একটু সুবিধা হবে আর কি। হ্যাঁ, লং টার্ম কাজটা
হ্যাঁ সেটাই তো।
বাচ্চাও আছে,
বৌদি দেখতেছে নাকি আর?
না না, চলে গেছে, আসছিল। ওকে ম্যাম, so already we discussed about your price. So already we discount the price is, so like 7 days the lowest price is for you only 70 USD.
Okay. And how much in 70 USD is your commission, and how much do you pay to the Facebook ads? Facebook
70
ad manager, what is that?
Okay, 70 USD only for our service fee. And if you run the campaign on Dubai, then you can put a daily budget like $10 $12 or $15. 10 to 15 is good for first time. Then we can check the if we need to increase, we'll increase. If we need to decrease, we decrease the daily budget, because budget is very important for getting the result. Okay.
Because I am anyhow boosting my post, and I'm not getting much result in boosting.
So how many
And
daily budget you already put it on the boosting?
I think I have put $6 or $8, something like that.
$8. Okay, so
Hmm.
we will start for $10 for first time. Not only first time, we will. So it's actually our strategy, because you know. So first time I have to research your business. Then second time we have to collect and make the targeted correct audience. If you run your campaign to your targeted and correct audience, then you will get, of course, good result. And as well as you have to put the good daily budget. So first time we will put the $10 daily budget. Then after 2 days we will see the result. What happened? How going the result? Result is good, not good, or on average. Then we will decide we have to increase the daily budget or not. Okay.
Okay,
And as
got
well
it.
as well as we will set up the campaign attractive and like A and B testing. Then we'll find that our campaign A is good, our campaign B is not good. Then we'll stop the B and running the A. This is the great strategy to getting the result.
Understood. We can do one thing. You said $60, right? How much did you said your price?
70 USD. 70
$70.
USD. Yes.
Okay, so we can divide this part in $70 in two parts. I will pay you half in the beginning. I'll see how it is going, and then I will pay you after 3-4 days another part.
So do you want to pay to directly one second please, শাকিল উনি কি পেমেন্ট কি ফাইবারে করবে নাকি আপনাকে ডাইরেক্ট পাঠাবে?
এটা ফাইবার না দাদা, এটা বাহিরের ক্লায়েন্ট।
Okay, fantastic. Okay ma'am, thank you so much. So if as you like best, you can do it, because if we make a good result, then not only $30-60, you will again and again make the order.
Exactly, that is what, because I want to be associated for long term. Okay, and I was seriously looking out for social media managers
Yes.
in India. But
Okay.
Shakil has been in touch with me for very long, so I thought why not to give him a try first.
You know, man,
because
one
my
thing, you know, I have a training institute. Best Care IT is a training institute of only digital marketer. So I have a student on India, more and more student on India. I train them on Kolkata, who our
So you are
language
the
is
teacher.
Bengali, because I don't understand Hindi very well. I teach them in Bengali
Okay.
language, and they learn Bengali language in Kolkata. Okay, and
So
interesting
Shakil
thing
is your student.
yes, Shakil
Yeah, Shakil is a
already
student.
Shakil is already finished our training, and now he is working on marketplace, and he's very expert person, like the digital marketing like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, LinkedIn. It is
Okay, got it. Okay, let's start it. Let me see how it goes.
okay.
Even if I get one good lead,
Yes,
even if I get one serious client,
yes.
I'm going to be with you guys forever.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, because
Fantastic.
because Dubai has a huge potential in real estate,
Yeah.
and I want to constantly grow my channel and all the channels and get leads. So let's see how it goes. Let me know what is the process, how to proceed, and we'll do that. And meanwhile, share with me your website or your page if you have it. I want to go through your website or a page or whatever you have.
Okay, fantastic. So
Right.
Shakil will contact to you what actually we need for run the campaign. Shakil will provide you the requirement list, and you can give him all the requirements to run the campaign. Then I will see everything, and I will assist to Shakil to run the campaign to getting the good result, because not only this order, we need the next order. We need the next order, and that's why I have to work hard for getting the good result. Okay, this is my strategy.
Don't
for
worry,
getting the
you'll
good
get
result.
regular. You'll get a lot of work from me if we do good.
Yeah, fantastic, man.
Okay,
Thank
there's
you.
huge potential.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice
Bye
talking
bye.
to you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
বাই
Bye বললাম নি শাকিল
দাদা।
জি চেহারা তো অতুলনীয়, যাক কিছু বলা যাবে না, হালকা একটু রেকর্ড করতেছিলাম তো। ঠিক আছে শাকিল, ওর কাছ থেকে আপনি কথা বলে ইয়ে নিয়ে নেন। মানে ও বলতেছে ইন্ডিয়া তো, যাক যদি বাইরে পেমেন্ট নিচ্ছেন আপনি ওর কাছ থেকে $35 বাইরে পেমেন্ট নিয়ে নেন আগে। হ্যাঁ, $35 পেমেন্ট নেবেন আগে, তারপরে রিকোয়ারমেন্ট দিয়ে কাজ শুরু করবেন। দেন কাজ শেষ হলে লিড একটা দুইটা পাইলে ওর কাছ থেকে হচ্ছে পরের পেমেন্ট নেবেন। আই থিঙ্ক লিড একটা দুইটা পাইলেই নেক্সট অর্ডার আমরা পুরো মাসের জন্য নিয়ে নেবো কিন্তু। ঠিক আছে, টার্গেটটা রাখেন।
হ্যাঁ সেটাই তো। আর ওর নাকি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া হিসাবে কাজ করাবে, তো ওটাও আমি আলোচনা করছি।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে,
আর
আগে এটা
দাদা
নেন,
আরেকটা বিষয়।
টাকাটা আগে নেন। আচ্ছা, আটটা বিষয় পরে
হ্যাঁ
আলাপ
এটাই
করছি,
তো।
আগে আমি রেকর্ড স্টপ করে দিই।